We're moving Alex's 240 today. See if we can get a swap done in 8 hours. And Jake's pulling in with the trailer right now. Should be a pretty good day.
But they are worth a lot of money. So this is good? Yeah. Or Brendan, I'll follow you.
Sounds good. Hi. Yeah, might as well. All right, Alex, so what are you trying to do? Engine swap in 8 hours?
I don't know if that's viable, maybe.
So what do we got?
Might be viable with like Tim and Doug and Jake here.
Zoe says it's gonna happen.
Okay, we'll see. Timer starts. We'll start working on this.
For something.
That could be for that weird horn.
We're pulling that. I'd rather have no horn than that fucking thing.
I know, leave the button. It's kind of fun.
No, fuck.
The doorbell.
Yeah, gotta.
Did you see it?
Yeah, the old style
Also,
70s switch.
There's also a random toggle switch.
It's nice.
Have you
Like
ever
this?
seen this fucking thing?
I've never seen that.
Yeah, I was looking
I mean,
at that.
granted, it's like a little greasy, but like I've never seen one.
Yeah, so it doesn't hit the fan.
But don't worry about that.
Well, you see where how it was held before.
Yeah,
it
I know.
snapped off? Yeah, little gopher. Yeah. N or was it AC?
She didn't like it. She's like, dude, what's this bullshit?
Yeah, this is true.
Automatic.
Crusty.
1023.
Sweet. So we're starting this. What time you got? Sweet. All right. We're gonna try this 8 or 10 hours. We're gonna get this done.
You're a fucking madman.
No. Hang on, Tim.
That was plastic too. Damn. Just it's dripping out for dear life.
Holy shit, that's hot.
Yo, what time we got, DJ?
9:10. You know what I'm talking about?
What?
Dude, my
Oh,
my
okay, yeah.
Dublin thing, I thought that was mine. I was like, yo.
Dead.
Dead battery.
It's like happy, you know what I mean? It's like it's happy about all the work put in the car. Like it appreciates the love.
Does.
Look
Back
at it
to
now,
life.
dude. Back to life.
Look at it smiling. Damn, you
This
got
thing
to
is-
pull and everything.
What's that?
You got to pull and everything. Is that pretty good?
It was so slow. This thing is getting a fucking harness bar because fuck these seatbelts. I don't trust these things in a 2-mile-an-hour crash.